Alright everybody, welcome to a new video. That means another day working on this red go-kart for right now. And if you remember the last video, we had came to the conclusion that it was this bad boy right here was off balance or whatever. So ordered a new clutch. Got it right here, just got here from Amazon literally. So we're gonna open it up and hopefully it is all good in the hood. All right. Oh, there's this. Shake that one.
Oh my god, that one has a lot of play.
Spin it. I want to do a comparison real quick. Not wobbly, right?
No.
And this one.
Yeah, when you put it sideways, it's wobbly.
That one?
No.
No, huh? Alright, let's install this bad boy real quick. Okay. Let's see where the keyway goes. Something like this. There you go. Now we gotta make sure that the clutch is lined up with the sprocket. Let's spin.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, big difference, dude.
You know?
Oh yeah. Alright, let's put the chain on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's good right here. Thank you. There we go. Oh, hold this way. This goes into that. And then that goes right there. And then there we go like this. Alright, we're in. Chain has good slack.
Spin it.
Is it even quieter now than yesterday? I think we're good. All right. Yeah, let's turn on. Let's open the garage real quick all the way. All right. Move this on. Take one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Watch your arm. How's it look? Good? I think we did it, guys. I think we're good. I think we're good. Here's a good wobble. It pulls all over the place.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Llantas?
You think the tires are low on air?
Oh my god, yeah. A little bit. Pero como, se siente como like it needs like adjustable?
something needs to be adjusted because I picked up speed and it was like torque steering all over the place.
Yeah.
Almost, Loki almost lost it.
Yeah, we need to adjust that shit because we probably have to make the llantas derechas way.
Yeah.
Dude, but it didn't come
It
off.
didn't come off, dude. We fucking
Did
did
you
it.
get rid of the pool?
I tried, dude, and then almost lost it up there.
Oh, I think we did it, bro.
Yeah, I think we did it too. Hell yeah. All right, we were fucking with the steering, but honestly don't think there was no improvement, but we're gonna take it out for a rip right now. I got my draggy right there to see how fast this Paparuskis goes safely as possible, because I don't want to fuck crash, obviously. Feels a little bit better, but not as good. We're gonna put the bitch back. It's a wide ass turn. My nuts! I think I lost the chain. I'm pretty sure I lost the chain. Yep. Lost it. Alright guys, back in the garage. Chain popped off again, but I think it popped off when I was riding in the dirt over there. And that beautiful sunset, but walked it back, no big deal. Put the chain back on, and I think that's gonna do it for this video. So I hope you guys liked it. Kart was a big success. It's honestly a ripper, and I'm super excited to keep ripping on this, and then just get started on this one again and finish it off, and maybe race them. So see you guys next time. Peace out.